Fumi Nation! Hello, Fumi Nation. Hello. We are 100,000 strong. Oh my God. Thank you so very much. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold and you are so very welcome indeed. I am celebrating with my cyber sisters because we have hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel that I started in 2014 at the age of 45. I am 52 and against all odds, here I am with you. Thank you so very much for the love and support. I just had to start with that introduction because I've been away for a while because my darling son Adrian was sick. Oh my God. He had the stomach bug at first and then he went on to have a throat infection, high fever, crying all night. It was so intense. I had to take time off. I had to take care of my son, and I am happy to say that all of your wishes and prayers came true. Adrian is better. He's smiling, he's laughing. You know, when your child is not well, when they don't eat their favorite food, they don't play with their favorite toy, then it gets really intense and scary. As a mother, my God, it's the most rewarding thing and it's the most frightening, and sometimes it can be so challenging. But we are in a positive space. We are, baby. And Adrian is doing very well. I cannot believe that we hit 100,000 subscribers. Like, who are you, Fumi? Thank you, guys. Thank you so very much. On top of all of that, I've been running around with a firm, with lawyers, because guess what? I patented my hacks. I have patented 25. I've trademarked and I've patented 25 globally. So darlings, when I tell you there's a lot going on, there are huge surprises coming. I don't want to say too much, so there's a lot going on. So if you guys don't see me here every day, I promise you I will be here 3 times a week. I am taking time behind the scenes to get F.D.V together. Yes, darlings, it came sooner than I thought, but we are here. Thank you so much for all of the love. And might I add, before we continue, I am so proud of you guys. I read the comments and I see how you interact with each other. So beautiful. And you have made me realize that there's still hope in this world. You are such beautiful women. You're such beautiful inside and out. And you share, you know, I don't have daughters. You are my daughters, you're my nieces, you're my sisters. But my younger ones, you are like my daughters. And I see you sharing with your sisters, all kinds. And I love that. We are going to do so much. By the time we get to Christmas and you're walking down the street, they're going to be like, you know what? That looks like a Fuminian. The vibe and tribe of Fumi Nation. The way she's dressed, the way she acts, the way she presents herself, her confidence. No, that's a Fuminian. Trust me when I tell you, we are going to have 5 pound weight loss with Fumi. We're going to do 5 pounds. We're going to do 2 pounds. We're going to do 3 pounds. We're going to do it nice and slow. We're going to get ourselves together. And on top of that, we're going to add tax. So why are we here? Because, my darlings, we have yet bra hack number 5. Bra hack number 5, you guys said to me, Mama, I love it when you call me mommy, you want to have a halter neck bra hack. And I said, why not? Mama is here. Why am I here if not to serve you, my darlings? This is going to be fun because it's extremely different. And I want to also introduce to you different types of shapewear. For the halter neck series, darlings, we are going to have the bodice. Yes, my darlings, we're going to have the bodice. And it has the crotch right here at the bottom. It is completely covered in the back. And what is beautiful is that, of course, it is a bra, as you can see. When you turn it around, you can open this up and you can tuck this in the back to have that deep backless bra. Now, I am going to show you another bodice so that you can understand why this in particular is what you need. I love having bodice. It's so gorgeous. I like to have the one piece because it flattens your tummy, gives you that shape on the sides. This is another one which I love so very much. It's got that sexy lace. It's so gorgeous. I wear it for Ula all the time when I need money. I just throw it on. I'm like, Ula darling. And it has again the crotch. Why? Because you don't have to take off everything. If you need to go to the bathroom, you can always open it up here at the bottom. Not a problem. Just kind of roll it up and go to the bathroom, and then once you're done, you just snap these back. You can also have eyes. There are eyes that you can have also at the crotch. Those are good also if you're really trying to stretch it and keep it stiff and nice in the torso. But don't put too much pressure on you. For those of you that feel, Mama, this might ride up Miss V, okay, wear a panty liner or wear a panty. Okay, wear a panty before you wear this so that it doesn't have too much friction up Miss V, because Miss V has to be protected at what? At all times. Alrighty, now when we come up to the top here, such a gorgeous bodice, but you're not able to take off the straps. Boom, not able to take off the straps in the front or in the back, and you need to take the straps off. Why, my darlings? Because we are going to transform this shoulder into a halter, and on top of that, we're not even using these straps. Okay, this hack is good for all bra cups, but I'm going to cater to the bigger, heavier bra cups. Like moi, we limousine sisters, we stretch gorgeous limousine darlings because we have a heavier bust. But every bust can do this. Okay, so what we do, we take these off. Why? Because you're wearing a halter neck. The bra strap will show. We don't want it to be evident like that. So we take these off. On top of which, with the bodice, you can have all kinds of bodice. But we need what? We need the underwire. Why do we need the underwire, Fumi? Because that will help to cup your bust. As you can see, I'm a double D. Maybe even bigger. But you need the what? You need the underwire. There are different bodices out there, but you need the underwire to cup your what? To cup your breasts. Once we've gotten rid of these, keep them. We're going to use them further down. Like I told you, we have 25 bra hacks. Darlings, when I tell you, you have such a treat. We're going to go in with what? Clear straps for the bodice. For me, but what is this? This is too skinny. This can't hold my bust. You're 100% correct. And that is why we are what? That is why we are using the 2. And we're going to put that on both sides. And I will show you how. So what do? We take 1 and we slot that right in place of the black strap. We're just going to put that in like so. Do you see it? Okay. Then we are going to take the second one and we're going to put that one in also. It's going to be a little bit tight, but you can do it. All right. So that you have 2 on the side. This is what is going to hold the bust. Then you're going to put this one on the other side. You're going to take the clip. I don't know whether you guys can see. Yep. And you're going to put in that way. Don't put in this way because it can fall out. You're going to put it towards your bust. Yeah. So you put that in towards your boobies. There you go. Then you put in the second one again towards your bust. It's going to be a little tough to get in, and that is good. Why, for me? Because that means it's going to be tough getting out. And that's what you need, because we have the limousine girls, and we are from where? We're from Texas. We are from Texas. We're big, we're proud, front and center. Who doesn't like big? There you go. And there you have it. Okay. Now what you do is that you just slide this down and make sure that the two of them are the same size. There you go. This is your halter neck, and you have what? You have the deep V in the back. I wanted to show you before I put this on. You cannot have one. It's not going to be enough, but they sell two as a set. Sometimes they even sell 3 or 4 at a set, but you need the two because what? You have the crotch that is holding the bust here, and then you have the double clear strap that is holding the bust on top. Make sure that you get a bodice that has a deep V enough where it's low. It cuts in low, yeah? This is good enough. You also want to have a bodice that you can open at the crotch, because once you've got your bust together, you don't want to open that. I wanted to do this hack without the push-up tape. For those of you in other countries that have no accessibility to push-up tape, all of my hacks are going to be with the push-up tape, without the push-up tape. It is tips and tricks that I have done throughout the years for my bust, because I've always had that ample bust no matter what. Even when I was smaller, I always had a bust, and this was what I did. You know, so again, like I said, look for the bodies that you can detach the straps. Also, when you're looking for these clear straps, make sure that it is not too thick so that you're able to put in the 2 eyes. Yeah. All right, guys, it's time to what? It's time to get dressed in this so that you can see how it looks, and I'll put on a halter dress. Okay, my darlings.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. I was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What did I do? In a millisecond, then it all came back when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. When I thought I didn't care, I just saw her standing near, made my feelings come to life again. Now I wake up every morning next to her. I gotta pinch myself to prove that she's my girl. And there's no place I'd rather be here in this world, 'cause I have no doubt, and I know she is the one.
All right, my darling, so as you can see, I have put on the dress, and I showed you the demonstration of the bodice, which I love. The clear straps are solid, absolutely solid. So what you do, you now tighten it up on top. And there you have it, darlings. Let me just turn it around for you so you can see. Let me turn it this way. Voila. Can you see, my darlings? And there you have a deep plunging line, and you have absolute backless fabulosity, my darlings. And there you have it, my darlings. You have your gorgeous halter top. And let me just throw it all the way back so you can see, and you can barely see the clear. And even then, it's super hidden because it's not flesh, it's not black, it is clear. The trick is, for heavier bust, you wear 2. You have the support on top, and you have the support in the crotch. That is the trick. And you have a beautiful paneling, and of course you have your gorgeous bust. And you can even have it lower because the bodice is right here, so you can even go lower. But there you have it, my darlings. This is your halter neck gorgeousness for all cup sizes. It does not matter. But if you are bigger busted, have 2 clear straps. Do we love, darlings? Do we love? My gorgeous Fuminians, everything for you, Fumi Nation. I will show you, I will teach you, I will demonstrate for you. We will take everything step by step. We will have the Fumi fitness, because it's not going to be about diet. It's going to be a different attitude we take towards food, and we're going to have our cakes, our donuts, our milkshakes. All of that is going to be in there, but we are going to have what? We're going to have portion control. We are going to be fabulous, my darlings, and there will be nobody telling us that you're a 4 at best. You're a 10. You're a 12 over 10. By the time we're done with this, we're 12 over 10. I hope you enjoyed the episode, and I will be back soon. All of my love. Thank you so much. 100,000. You know, I have a funny feeling that we're going to hit 250. We're going to hit 500,000. That we're going to be 1 million strong. I have a funny feeling. Follow me on Instagram. That's another thing. Follow me on Instagram, because I have the dailies. But you know what? I'll be posting here too. But follow me on Instagram so that you guys are the first to know about what? Giveaways, treats for all of you. Fumi Nation. What? Fuminians. Queens, queenettes, first. You first. Everything for you. Gotta go. Love you. Bye.